Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kate. I'm a nature and pet portrait artist. If you like art, drawing, nature, I think that you'll like my videos, so I hope that you'll like my videos, so please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please give it a like as well. So today I am starting a barn owl in my mixed media style, which is the animal or bird in coloured pencil, a realistic representation of that, and then a background in watercolour or pastel, and I add in some sketchy floral elements as well. So I'll show you the plan for the barn owl. These are some of the colour experiments for my barn owl drawing. I've been using crystals and gemstones as inspiration. These, I don't know if it's showing up very well, but these are metallic paints. Oh, you can see it on that one. So the silver colour shows up really well. Actually, they all do. The inspiration behind these colours is labradorite. This one is agate. I really like the shapes, but I don't think that's quite what I'm going for with this piece, but I think I probably will use that in another one. I need to research the meaning behind agate again. But if this shows up, that's better. These are the colours that I really like. So raw sienna, Payne's grey, indigo and purple lake. And then the metallic colour in there is rose gold, but I'm not sure because I'm thinking I'd want to put silvery ferns in. So we'll see, just have to have a practice and see how it goes. And this is the barn owl sketched out. Don't know if you just saw, but I've got all my pencils laid out ready. I haven't looked at picking a colour palette yet, so I've just got them all out ready, just so it's easier. I've also been doing a bit of research on owls and, well, barn owls and their meaning. I've sketched out some ferns as well. Not quite sure if this is what I'm going to go for, so I do need to do a bit more practicing of those. So yeah, I've just written out what I found and what I found interesting. I really like this idea, the light in the darkness, and I think that will probably work really well with the silvery ferns because the background is going to be quite dark, and then I need to also make the barn owl stand out, so keep the white bits really white, I think, and I don't know, maybe have like a halo around it, but I'm not 100% set on that idea yet. But yeah, I'm really interested in all this symbolism around animals and what it means when you see one. So I really want to do a bit more research into that and make sure that my work has that symbolism. Okay, so I'm going to get started on adding colour to the owl. I think I'm going to do the eyes first. It's actually my own photo that I'm using. I was lucky enough that they had this barn owl at the Nutley Marsh Country Show that I've just been to. It's almost like it was meant to be that I should be drawing a barn owl. It is meant to stay dry for the afternoon now, and I need to go and check on my mum and dad's house and water in the greenhouse while they're on holiday. So we're going to combine that with a nice walk. I don't want to prune this hedge in our front garden because it's always buzzing. The bees love it. There's not quite as many on there today. I assume that's because of the weather. But there are at least 3 species on there. A bumblebee, I think it's the same type, but maybe there's bufftail and whitetail. I don't know, I'm not very hot on my bees. But there's a honeybee and these little tiny, I think, minor bees. I have also seen one with a red tail. I don't know if that is a red tail bumblebee or an early bumblebee. I think it's probably a bit late for an early bumblebee, but again, I don't know my bees. This hornet hoverfly also loves it. I thought it was an actual hornet to start with, as you'll see in a second, but my mum identified it for me. Still very impressive, it's huge. In case you missed that, here's an action replay. I'll leave you now with these clips from our walk. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Please give it a like if you have, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!